No battery lasts forever, and that includes the one in your key fob. But fortunately, replacing it is easier than you think. All you need is a small flat blade screwdriver and a new battery. In this case, a CR2450 3-volt. Insert a small flat blade screwdriver into the slot on the bottom of the key fob and carefully pry the cover slightly open. Continue this process around the perimeter of the fob until you can use your fingers to remove the cover completely. Now, use the screwdriver to pry out the old battery. Insert a new battery with the positive pole facing up. Finally, put the case back together, snap it shut, and test the key fob by pressing a button. If the LED light blinks, you're good to go. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.